Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today, I've got this beautiful home located in the wonderful Palmetto Trace subdivision. I love this subdivision. It's out near Pier Park. You have access to Philip Griffith Senior Parkway, kind of going the back way around Pier Park. You can get out on Front Beach, or you can get out on Back Beach Road, or you can even slip out the side on Pier Park Drive. So you've got lots of access points, and it's super convenient because you've got Walmart and Target right at Pier Park. You're on the east end, you're just 20-minute drive to 30A. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go. Welcome into this beautiful home here in the Palmetto Trace subdivision. In here you've got 4 bedrooms, a split floor plan, which is fantastic because the kids can be over there and the parents can be in their space. We also have some extra space here to utilize. You can maybe make an office, and you've got another seating area that's right here. And it allows you to just kind of expand your space. The kids could have some area and the adults could have some other. Really, the sky's the limit. Let's keep checking it out. I love how the kitchen is open and airy, and you're not going to be bumping into each other if a few of you are going to be preparing for all the guests that you might be having. Welcome into the main ensuite. You've got nice expansive space to have your chest or your dresser available to you, as well as plenty of room for a king-size bed. And just enough space for mom and dad or the head of the household to be able to expand. You've got your dual sinks, a tub and shower, an extra linen closet in here, as well as, you know, my favorite, a water closet. So for more information, look in the listing description below. I have the link there for you to check out all of the finer details, square footage, and whatever else you might need. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. You ring that bell so you don't miss out on any beautiful deals like this one.